How to change page background color in Wix Studio. So as you can see, here is my actual Wix website editor. Now into this part, you can actually see our actual background. So on my website, I have pink and black background. I also have gradient of them together. So for example, I do not want this black and pink combination anymore. What I can do is I can click onto this icon right here, which is the fifth icon down from your left sidebar. This is called Site Styles. Now into this, we can see our styles. You can just change the color 6 as well as other colors that you would want. For example, I'll change color 6 into, for example, blue. I'll change that into this and click on apply. Now these changes shall be applied altogether into this part. Now what will happen if you just want to change a certain part or a certain color or a certain background? I have in here, for example, this part for our section. You can click on it right here and then expand this inspector. And then you can click onto this search icon or this particular icon right here. You can click onto the background option and then change the background from in there altogether by clicking onto this and choosing the color that you would want. So that's how you change page background color on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.